just taking a second out from my shed build. Just do a quick one. What's the difference between a 12 volt and a 10.8 volt battery? None. They're the same battery, just different labels. The 10.8 volt refers to the average voltage of these things, and the 12 volt refers to the maximum voltage. There's no actual difference, it's just the way they describe them. They changed it for whatever reason. I think European regulations somewhat changed. But there you go, exactly the same. So it's not like more powerful as a lot of people think. Well, I hope that was useful. See you on the next one. Bye bye.
Please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Thanks. See you on the next one.